Top 5 most cute dogs breeds. 1. Pomeranian. Personality: energetic, intelligent, and confident. Bonus: looks like a living teddy bear. 2. Cavalier King Charles Spaniel. Personality: gentle, affectionate, and great with kids. Bonus: always looks like it's about to be hugged. 3. Shih Tzu. Personality: loyal, friendly, and laid back. Bonus: perfect lap dog with a royal history. 4. Toy Poodle. Personality: smart, trainable, and lively. Bonus: hypoallergenic and comes in many colors. 5. French Bulldog. Personality: comical, loving, and low energy. Bonus: makes funny noises and loves cuddles.